Hi, I am Vinay Rana from vPerfectGS. We build practical Odoo and AI automation solutions. In this video, we will explore BigQuery connector. Enable BigQuery API. To start using the BigQuery connector, the first step is to enable the BigQuery API in your Google Cloud Console. Create dataset in BigQuery. Next, you'll create a dataset in BigQuery. Create service account. Moving on, you'll need to create a service account. Generate service account JSON file. Once your service account is created, you need to generate a JSON file containing the credentials for it. Odoo BigQuery connection. Now, it's time to connect Odoo to BigQuery. Export data using model or query and schedule export data. With the connection established, you can export data using either a model or a custom query. This flexibility allows you to tailor your data exports to suit your needs. BigQuery table. After exporting your data, you'll organize it in BigQuery tables. View exported data in BigQuery.